Going to have a look at the sort of common comparator pool tester. So these usually have a device for taking the water with a colour scale and some tablets. This one is for chlorine and pH. So we have DPD tablets and phenol red. Okay. Now a good tip is to get your tablets out while your hands are dry, so that you're ready to go once you've got your hands wet. So you get one of each tablet. That's the DPD, and that's the phenol. So now I'm going to take the sample from the pool. Don't just take it from the surface, get underneath, make sure it's clean, get your sample, and then your DPD tablet goes on the chlorine side, and your phenol tablet goes on the pH side. Put the container in, put the lid on, give it a good shake. Make sure everything's dissolved, so you can see the tablet's not quite dissolved yet. Okay, give it a bit of time for the colour to develop, and then you can read the scale off there, so you can see there the pH. Plenty of chlorine for the pool, and the pH is around 7, so maybe you want to just increase that a little bit.